In this video, we are going to discuss about units only in units and measurement chapter units. So JEE मेंस के लिए यूनिट्स में भी एक क्वेश्चन दे रहे हैं, तो वो क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, इस वीडियोस में देखेंगे हम. So what is the meaning of unit actually? Measurement of any physical quantity involves comparison with a certain basic arbitrarily chosen internationally accepted reference standard called unit. So it's comparing with certain basic thing actually. Suppose if we are measuring in meters, suppose we will be comparing with meter square. Similarly, kg also or some other thing. So unit is a comparison with a standard or with a certain basic thing actually. Okay, that standard is known as basically unit. So generally the result of measurement कैसे करेंगे हम लोग, इसको लिखेंगे हम कोई भी वैल्यू. सो अगर हम देखेंगे तो we will write like this actually. So suppose 10 kg we will write. That means some number is there or unit is there. ठीक है, ये नंबर रहेगा और यूनिट भी रहेगा. So that means n is the number, u is the unit. Suppose this is a constant actually. Suppose if we are changing this into grams, suppose. So 10 kg means 1000 grams, so 10,000 grams. But these two are equivalent, so that's way we can write n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. Okay. So this thing you have to remember. Or nu is a constant. Okay. So this also you can write n is inversely proportional to 1 by u, or unit is inversely proportional to 1 by n also. This way also you can remember, or it is always better to remember this way anyhow. So one thing we discussed about, अभी यूनिट्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया. अभी यूनिट्स कौन सी तरह का हो सकता है? फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स एंड डिराइव्ड यूनिट्स. फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स मीन्स फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ का जो भी यूनिट रहेगा उसको फंडामेंटल यूनिट बोलेंगे. जो डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटीज़ का यूनिट होगा उसको डिराइव्ड यूनिट बोलेंगे. जो अदरवाइज यू कैन से दिस वे आल्सो, all the other quantities which are not fundamental, they are known as derived quantities, and those derived quantities are represented by derived units. ठीक है, जो भी फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी से डिराइव करेंगे हम, उसका जो उसको डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी बोलेंगे. तो जो डिराइव्ड क्वांटिटी का जो यूनिट रहेगा उसको डिराइव्ड यूनिट बोलेंगे हम. सो यही टॉपिक दिया हुआ है एनसीईआरटी में. अकॉर्डिंग टू एनसीईआरटी मैं डिस्कस किया हूँ इसका टॉपिक का. ये दोनों चीज़ इंपॉर्टेंट है. दिस इक्वेशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट बेसिकली. दिस इक्वेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इन कन्वर्शन ऑफ यूनिट्स यू विल बी यूजिंग दिस इक्वेशन ऑल्सो, और यू कैन डू द अदर वे अराउंड ऑल्सो. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस सी सम प्रॉब्लम्स हियर. सी हियर ही इज आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन ऑफ the unit of thermal conductivity. The unit of thermal conductivity he is asking us. So how to find this unit of thermal conductivity? It's very simple. What is the formula? Q is equal to, means heat per unit time. Actually this is written in NCERT textbook like this, H. Heat per unit time. That means Q by T actually. This is equal to Ka by L into delta T, or delta theta you can write this way. So now you are interested in finding the unit of thermal conductivity. This is the thermal conductivity, coefficient of thermal conductivity. So K is equal to Q into L divided by A into delta T into T. Okay, Q is nothing but joule. So joule, length is in meters and area is in square meter. Delta T is in Kelvin. Time is represented as second. But joule per second is nothing but watt, and meter square meter will cancel. So watt meter minus 1 Kelvin minus 1. This is the unit of thermal conductivity. So this is the answer. Fourth one is the answer. Next question, let us check. See here, the density of a material in SI units is 128 kg per meter cube. In certain units, in which the unit of length is 25 centimeters and the unit of mass is 50 grams, the numerical value of density of the material is how much? So this he is interested to find. Okay, what is given to us? 128 kg per meter cube. ठीक है, this is equal to 128 को ऐसे लिख दो. kg is how many grams? 1000 grams. Divided by how many meter cube? मीटर क्यूब अगर सेंटीमीटर में चेंज करेंगे तो 100 सेंटीमीटर टू द पावर ऑफ 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब. 10 स्क्वायर दिस इज 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 6 हो जाएगा ये. ठीक है. सो नाउ दिस 100 सेंटीमीटर हियर इट इज गिवन एज 25 सेंटीमीटर इज द लेंथ यूनिट and 50 grams is the mass unit. Okay, so let us consider this into, so 128, this 1000 grams I am writing as 50 grams into 20. So that is 50 into 20 is 1000. So this 50 grams is the unit of new unit of mass. Okay, now let us consider here 100 means 25 centimeters. So 25 into 4 centimeter to the power of cube. Okay, then this is nothing but 128 multiplied with, this is 1 unit and 25 centimeter is 1 unit. So 25 centimeter cube will be in meter cube actually. Okay, so this 128, so this will become 128 into 20 divided by 4 cube, because 25 centimeter is 1 unit of length. So naturally this 25 centimeter cube will be the unit of centimeter cube. Okay, so now we got this is the answer. Okay, 128 divided by 64 into 20. 64 2 times to 128. So 40 units is the answer. This is the answer. Okay. So these are the questions generally they are giving in JEE mains examination. This type of question they are asking in units topic. So in generally they are asking conversion or conversion type of questions. Some other length is given or some other mass is given or some other time is given, then you have to find in the new units. So this is a simple question and simply you can solve it very easily. Okay, thank you very much. We will discuss error analysis in the next video. Wish you all the best. Bye. Thanks.